AI is the next thing. AI is the future. AI is taking over everything, even content creation and everything. Now, if you're following me for a while, you know I did a couple of videos related to Higgsfield.ai, and I talk about that how amazing Higgsfield AI is, and it is gonna be the next big thing as it is launching so many new stuff. And Kling 3.0 is something that is coming very soon. But guess what? It is not coming soon. It is out right now. So Kling 3.0, amazing free AI generation tool, video generation tool is out. And in today's video, we are gonna see Kling 3.0. So let me get to my desktop over here. Now there is a lot of stuff that people created using different models on the Higgsfield.ai. Again, the links will be given in the description. Before getting into Kling 3.0, I want to share that what we were expecting from it. We were expecting multi-shot generation. We were expecting start and end frame control. We were expecting long videos and many more stuff. And guess what? It is over here. So what you need to do is you need to go to the video, then create video from here, and you will see Kling 3.0 model. Maybe you by default you see Kling 2.6 over here, and from here you can go and choose Kling 3.0 something like this. And I want to share difference between the both of things. Like for example, like if I go back to the Kling 2.6, you see there's like one frame option over here. There's a prompt option, nothing much going on. But if I go to the duration, I have 5 and 10 seconds and some aspect ratios. But when I go and choose Kling 3.0, now you see you have start frame optional. Definitely these are optional, you want to put, you can. And also end frame option over here. You have like over here is a prompt option. You have like sound on or off, whatever you need. And you have like duration option over here. Now yes, 15 seconds is here, guys. Very excited for this. um and you have also like ratio as there was before, but now you also have the resolution option, as you can see. So, and guess what, now if I turn this on, now I have multi-shot option, so I can add multiple shots like this and do and create amazing content, create amazing videos. So very excited, very happy to see Kling 3.0, and now it's time to do something with Kling 3.0. So very first thing what I'm gonna do is definitely I'm gonna create a 15-second video with the audio turned on, and I have some shots over here. I have already prompt written over here, just copy and paste those prompts over here, and I'm gonna generate them. I'm gonna see how amazing it is. So again, very exciting. Okay, so it just created this futuristic workspace when I give it as a prompt, and as you can see, it looks amazing. I actually created two different sort of videos, just because I was testing it, and I'm loving Kling 3.0. Honestly, you know what I like the most about Kling 3.0 is this slider. Like I can literally go to 3 seconds if I want, and I can easily select whatever amount of seconds I want. That's really cool. Also, start frame and end frame is my favorite feature, but one of the most favorite feature on Click 3.0 is definitely this multi-shot thing. I will be trying that in a bit, but I want to try one more over here. So I'm gonna give it maybe a different kind of, let me give this one cinematic slow motion. So let me bring this over here, and I'm gonna try this one out with a Kling 3.0. So let this one generate now. Okay, so it just created this shot, as you can see. Again, really cool, really amazing. If I, open it to
This
show
is
you the
just the
audio,
beginning,
it brings the audio
and
in
every
it.
step brings me closer.
And this
This
sort
is
of
just
content can be used for YouTube stuff, or like if you're a creator and you want some different sort of shorts explaining a video, this sort of you can create anything from Clicks 3.0, and you can grow your YouTube channel. So yeah, this is really cool. And again, I want to try out, definitely want to try out the multi-shot thing. And why I think this is useful, like if you are telling some sort of story, you need A rolls, you need B rolls, and generating content, multi-shot content with one time giving it a prompt is amazing, and that is what Kling 3.0 is capable of. And this is what I love about Kling 3.0. So I have some prompt over here, I'm gonna give it a try, and I'm gonna start this one. So it is a prompt of like futuristic city. So I'm just gonna give it, and just be Let me just copy and paste over here, and so we can see how it works. And honestly, I am really excited about this because this is where we are gonna check the real capability of Kling 3.0. So everything is set up as you can see. So let's generate. So right now it is generating the content. It is in queue now. It is in progress, which is a nice thing. It is generating the content. Again, all the links are given in the description. Again, it's Higgsfield.ai, and you can go and try Kling 3.0. Along with Kling 3.0, there is a lot of stuff. There are like image tools, a lot more stuff going on. If I get the opportunity, I will try to make another video explaining everything what Higgsfield.ai is offering. But definitely, it is a must check out AI tool that can literally change your world, especially if you're a creator. This is definitely you're gonna check out. Now it is creating video, and I'm just waiting for that. Okay, so it created another video, and you can see a futuristic city over here, and the short chain, and there is a guy. As you can see, it was like that. There was a building, and then there was a person interacting with the hologram. So yeah, multi-shot, that looks amazing. Now what you can also do is you can give it a static frame and make anything. So that is the thing that I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna find my picture, and I'm gonna make myself doing something. So let's see what I can get it up from here. Okay, so I gave a starting point to this Kling 3.0 model, and I want me to, make me running on the road, and Kling 3.0, and everything is set up over here. And let's see. Okay, so I created two of my videos, and they are so funny, and I think I'm gonna share one of them definitely on my social media. Like, just look at me, and I am running and running fast now, and another one running on the road. See, my face exactly same. My hairs are like bouncing according the way I am running. So real. This engine, this Kling 3.0 is real cool. Definitely go, guys, check this out. Again, the links are given in the description. If you have any query, you want to know anything regarding this one, again, hit me up. And yeah, that's all from this short and simple video. Hope to catch you guys very soon with more stuff with Higgsfield.ai. See ya.